My business has grown so much in the past 6 years, all thanks to a friend recommending Shopify. I feel like it's only right that I recommend it to you guys. I was able to start my brand with just myself in my own home. There are so many free website templates and apps that you can just plug in, so you can skip hiring coder. It's a super friendly interface and designing the site is actually really fun. Shopify also tracks all of the inventory, so you can just print out shipping labels right from the site. So, I don't have to deal with any of that tedious stuff, and I can focus on the things I like. Lastly, my favorite part, the analytics. This is an entire breakdown of my business from revenue, profit, best-selling products, customers, you name it. There's a report on it. Side note, I didn't go to college, and trust me, it's super easy to read. If you've been thinking about starting a business, this is your sign. Try Shopify today.